So let us continue. So just like I said from video number 1, so I said you cannot energize MC2 if the MC1 is activated, because the MC1 normally close is open. If it is open, so and you press this MC2 push button, so the current will not reach this solenoid of MC2 because it is open. So you need to stop this. You need to press the stop button. So if you press the stop button, so MC1 will off. So the MC1 normally close is back to close position, like that. Okay, so if you want to energize MC2 because the MC1 is off or not activated, so if you want to press MC2, the current will passing through here and passing through here because it was closed, and the current reached the solenoid coil, and the solenoid coil will activate in the MC2 on, and the MC2 normally open will close this one, and the current will passing through here, even though release your finger from this one, because it will back to normally open. So the current will passing through here, normally open, so it will on. So just like the first step, MC1 open, activate, and you cannot activate the MC2. If the MC2 is activated, you will not activate also the MC1 because of this interlocking contact. So that's all I can say. So there's no explanation. So just remember the circuit. So about the wiring, I had so many control circuit upcoming. So if I make interlocking or interlocking circuit in the two motor, even though you don't see the whole wiring because my camera is just mobile cell phone. So you have you watch already this controlled circuit. So if you want to study this control circuit, so you can try at your home. So that's all. Thank you. Okay, so MC1, MC2, MC1 push button, MC2 push button, MC2 normally close, MC1 normally close, MC1 normally open, MC2 normally open, and stop. So okay, so because the magnetic contactor, both of this magnetic contactor is a 3-phase line or 3-pole line. So always line 1, line 2, line 3, line 1, line 2, line 3, T1, T2, T3, T1, T2, T3. This T3 is for the motors, and this line is line 1, line 2 is for the line voltage. But if you want to use this contactor in your house, because there's no 3-phase line in the house, only single phase, you can make, or you can use this L1, L2 and L3 not, and this one L1, L2 is will use, and L3 is not. So okay, because there is a motor, there is a motor of single phase. If you need a single phase, it's only this T1, T2 and T1, T2. So okay, thank you.